Hello to everyone. My name is Roger Wiley and welcome to the Expanded Choice webinar. Expanded Choice is a choice program offering that allows Richland School District 2 families to apply to attend another district school other than their residentially zoned school without applying for a specific program, such as a magnet program. It is best to verify which school your address is zoned for your students to attend before participating in choice. You can do this by going to the Richland School District 2 website and utilizing our Richland 2 School Zone Locator. You would go to our Richland 2 website at www.richland2.org, go to the search bar, go to Future Family, scroll down to School Zone Locator, check off on the assurance and click OK. Type in your address and the locator will populate the elementary, middle, and high school your students attend. With some addresses, you will find that you live in a high school option area, meaning you are zoned for one school but have an option to attend another school. The message in the school zone locator box will provide some stipulation in regards to transportation and electing to use this option. If your address is already zoned for the school of your interest, then there is nothing left to do. However, if you are interested in another school for your students, then you can examine further options. We briefly discussed one method for high schoolers. If your address falls in an option area, then you can notify your current school that you want your student to be coded for attending the option school next year. Remember, transportation is not provided for attending option schools. If you are a Richland 2 employee working full-time for Richland School District 2, then you can use the employee option. You can exercise the employee option by going to the Richland 2 website and searching for Employee and School Board Choice. If you have a student that currently has enrollment at the preferred school based on a choice approval, you can use the Sibling Transfer form instead of the online choice process to choice your second student into the school that their sibling attends. In order for a sibling transfer to be approved, your first sibling attending a school would need to still be in attendance when the second student is scheduled to attend. If none of those options I read to you apply for your address and student, then you can apply for one of our Richland 2 choice programs. They are Expanded Choice, Magnets, which includes school-wide and school-within-a-school magnets. The program that I am going to highlight is the Expanded Choice program. In order to use Expanded Choice, you must first reside in Richland 2. Expanded Choice allows anyone to apply for any other schools that have been determined to have enrollment capacity to take in more students. We publish a list of those schools open and closed to choice for the 2021 through 2022 school year. The list above shows which elementary schools are closed to choice. In Richland School District 2, all of our schools are either open for transfers through Expanded Choice or a school-wide magnet, unless they are determined to be at or above their enrollment capacity. The chart shows you which Expanded Choice or school-wide magnets is located at one of our schools. If the school is closed, it will not show up as an option in our Choice Online application process. For the 2021-2022 school year, as you can see, Bethel Hanbury, Forest Lake, Jackson Creek, Killian, Lonnie B. Nelson, Rice Creek, and Round Top are showing up as closed. If you look at this middle and high school chart, the same process applies to our middle and high schools. The left side of the chart shows us which schools are open for Expanded Choice and which schools are open to their school-wide magnet programs. Of our schools, 2 middle schools and 2 high schools are closed to choice for the 2021-2022 school year. They are Dent Middle School and E.L. Wright, as well as Blythewood High School and Spring Valley High School. For both the Expanded Choice and school-wide choice programs, We used a computerized random selection process to randomly put applicants in an order from 1 to whatever number of students apply. The district uses a net 20 selection. With net 20, each school open for expanded choice and school-wide magnets is allowed 20 transfer slots through the choice process. The 20 slots may increase based on the number of students leaving that school through the choice process. For example, if 13 students expanded choice or school-wide magnet choice to another school, then that school losing the 13 students will have 20 transfer slots plus the replacement 13 slots that left, for a total of 33 students choicing in. In Richland 2, all students attending a school other than their zone school must provide their own transportation to the choice or transfer school. Questions that we frequently get are, may students apply to both a magnet program and expanded choice? Yes. During any choice process, any given year, students will have 3 choices. You can choose all 3 expanded choice programs at 3 different schools. You can choose a magnet program and 2 expanded choice. You can mix your choices with a variety of selections. You will need to prioritize your choices from 1 to 3. Because with the choice process, you will get your highest priority and will not have a choice for any other selection. Once a student is granted attendance to a school through expanded choice, can they lose the option to attend that school? You can lose an option to attend the school. If you move outside of the district, you cannot attend a Richland 2 school. Each school can revoke a transfer if there becomes a problem with exemplary punctuality and attendance, if there's a failure to cooperate with the school's administration, or if transportation cannot be provided to and from the school, because that would be a requirement. If students are granted attendance to a school through expanded choice, can they opt to go back to their zone school after the start of the school year? In Richland School District 2, any student who is transferred to another school can always choose to go back to their home school at any time of the year. However, once you elect to go back, you cannot go back to the choice school that year. As with anything in our school district, any program that you participate in, we expect once you select choice, we expect you to be there for the entire year. But if you need to go back to your home school, we allow it. If you go back to the beginning of the webinar page, you will find other resources that may help you better understand choice and related programs. You may also contact the school or district registrar's office. Thank you, and I hope this information is helpful to you.